So, today is my best friend's 16th birthday, and unfortunately he's spending it in quarantine, so I decided to do something a little bit special. Here's the plan. I'm going to make a giant paper airplane, put a $30 gift card inside of it, and since he lives right next door to me, throw it to him from my roof. What could go wrong? So we made signs and stuff, but I just had a genius idea of getting a gift card, a printable gift card from Amazon, making a paper airplane out of it, and throwing it over to his house. So that's what we're going to do.
Is that?
This is the time when you literally throw money. That's what it's come to, apparently. Got the paper. Now I just gotta make a paper airplane out of it. I'll admit it now, I'm not great at making paper airplanes, so we'll see how this goes. What part's gonna end up on the outside? Let's see, fold it this way, unfold it. Boom, boom. I know how to make a paper airplane, I'm just worried I'm gonna get the wrong side on the outside of it. It would have been funny if we made a giant paper airplane out of cardstock. Could we still do that? Could we try that?
Oh, out of those posters?
Yeah.
I'm not even
Come on.
later. We don't have time later.
Yeah, we do. What time is it?
We have about 15 minutes.
Oh, that's plenty of time.
But we gotta kind of watch because we get there early. Alright.
Test it real quick. Here we go.
It's so far.
Work. I think that was good. Now, come on. You gotta let me try one out of cardstock. Please. I'm making one of
You're
the
gonna have your science over.
We're doing cardstock, because obviously the YouTube video would be better if I said I flew a giant paper airplane at my friend with a gift card in it. Now I just gotta do exactly what I did with the cardstock. Hopefully it works okay. Alright, here we go. Fold in half. It's the first step. This is where it gets difficult because this is a big fold. Alright.
Stand on it.
Oh, that's good.
Or stand on it.
I'll stand on it. Alright. That's one side. No, I'm gonna take Carter's advice. Stand on it a little. It's mainly this part here, the front of it. Alright. And that is a pretty poorly constructed giant paper airplane. Here we go, let's test it. Please tell me this works. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I've done it. Back to this station, the loading station.
I was gonna say you could fold it and then put it inside.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
small. There you go.
We should have done this out of cardstock. Poorly folded, just like my airplane, but you know, it's fine.
Just need it to fly one time.
That's true.
I mean,
Unless he wants to fly.
you definitely want to tape it in there, though.
Yeah, you're gonna tape. This is gonna work. Max, this is for you, buddy. Alright. It's pretty much done. It's
Make
ready.
sure you write open me on it, though.
Yeah, he throws it away. Oh no. Alright, we have backups, but. Open. Wait, I wrote open on the right side.
It's too early to go out, but
It's gonna be open me instead of open me.
Me open.
Me open.
Me open. It's fine, you know?
Me open.
I was never good at grammar, it's fine. This is the me open flight. We're flying to Max's house. Please keep your hands and feet inside the ride at all times. We'll see you guys outside. Alright, we're heading out. I got the birthday sign and I got the paper airplane. I'm gonna hide the paper airplane for the moment.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, go hold your sign. Go hold your sign.
Go ahead.
It's too windy. Max! We're here too! Alright, I have an extra surprise. Hang on. Carter. Alright guys, I'm gonna go through open the window. This was it. The moment was here. I would finally test my paper airplane building ability in the ultimate test. And if I failed, I would let everyone down. Here goes nothing. Alright, ready?
Like a lawn dart.
Crash landing.
Finish the throw! Yes!
Well, that didn't work. Hi.
Oh, you came in? Alright, so I forgot to click record on my phone as I threw it out the window, so hopefully Carter got a good shot of it. It was kind of a crash landing, but that's alright. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And there he goes. Max, all I can say is thank you for letting me use your birthday for clickbait on YouTube. Happy birthday!
Bye. Happy birthday.
See ya! What do you think, guys? Successful mission?
Yeah, I think it was good.
Was the airplane good?
Yes.
I think it crashed, but you guys we all threw the airplane. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe.